Yesterday's heavy rain has now eased. Today is sunny spells and scattered showers, but there is more rain in the forecast. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday.
Laura, now...
Are your teeth still growing, Laura?
As far as I'm aware, yes.
Is it still raining? That's the big question.
Thankfully, today, there is nowhere near as much as rain. It's just some showers. But yesterday, again, it rained nearly all day, and some of the scenes were crazy. Did you see this stadium in London? Who was meant to be there? Oh, you're meant to be there. My camera one operator was meant to be there. Sorry, Perry. Next Tuesday, if you can make it. And thankfully, the heavy rain has stopped, but there is more rain in the forecast later on this week. Yes, incredible scenes of torrential rainfall. And actually it was due to colossal amounts of rain. Northamptonshire, Bedfordshire, parts of London saw heavy rainfall, roads underwater, cars underwater as well. And these are some of the peak rainfall totals. Woburn saw the heaviest rain in 48 hours, 143 millimetres. In fact, they saw the wettest day that they have ever recorded. And records in Woburn go back to 18... Good morning to you. Yesterday, we had more heavy rain. We had more scenes of flooding, some of the wettest areas through parts of Bedfordshire and in Woburn. We had not just the wettest 48-hour period, but the wettest 24 hours they have ever recorded, and their records go back to 1898. And it was the torrential rain that caused, yet again, scenes of flooding. Further warnings issued for later on this week. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days then. So first of all, look across the north of the UK. Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, actually where it's been pretty dry lately. One thing we've been noticing, though, is it's cool. Temperatures have dropped, so they're below average at the moment across the north and stay below average for the rest of the week. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. Today we have our frequent heavy showers. Looking that bit drier tomorrow. Thursday, that's when we could see a weather warning being issued for more heavy rain arriving, and then just in time for the weekend and settled with showers arriving. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Again, it has been wet and also it has been cool. Last week was very warm. This week, temperatures are sitting below average, turning cooler as we head into the weekend. It's a change in wind direction that's bringing these cooler conditions. But we still have weather fronts battling in, so the outlook is unsettled. Today is thankfully drier. Tomorrow and Thursday, more heavy rain, likely to see warnings. Hit and miss into the weekend, but more heavy rain arriving into next week. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Yesterday, we had more heavy rainfall. In fact, the wettest place in the last 2 days, Woburn, 143 millimetres. But they had their wettest 24 hours, the wettest day that they have ever recorded, 90 millimetres. 2 times a month's worth of rainfall in 24 hours, and their records go back to... Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Yesterday, there were more scenes of flooding through parts of Bedfordshire, for example, where we have seen some record-breaking rainfall totals. These are some of the peak rainfall values for 2 days, but if we look at just the one-day total in Woburn, they had the wettest day they have ever recorded, over 90 millimetres of rain. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. After yesterday's heavy rainfall with yet more flooding, thankfully, today is looking drier and brighter. Not for everybody, though. The focus for today's wet weather is across the north, where it's been pretty dry over the last few days. So this is the latest satellite and radar. Showers moving in across the north of Scotland. They'll be heavy. Rain then clearing away from the south and east. And in between, it starts largely dry. As we head through the day, yes, it's a cooler day ahead, but enough strength in the sunshine to cause the clouds to bubble up and produce showers. So it's sunny spells and scattered showers, but a lot cooler than the last few days with this northerly flow. 11 to 13 in the north, 17 to 18 in the south, so average at best. Tonight, it is clear, actually pretty chilly in the north, potentially a touch of frost, and then more rain moves in from the west later on tomorrow with a risk of a warning later.